Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset ZTE Blade V70 Vita. Okay, we have 2 methods how we can reset our phone. I'll show you both of them. First, and the recommended method, is a reset using the settings. To do it, open them up, scroll down all the way, find System and Update, select Reset Options, and click on Erase All Data Factory Reset. Of course, remember that everything will be erased from your device. So for example, if you want, you can create a backup of your data. So even after the reset, you'll be able to restore that data on any other device, actually, on any other phone. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel you can find a video how to create it. So if you want, you can watch it. Now, if you click on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds, it will be turned on again automatically, and the next thing that you need to do is to go through the setup process. That's the first method. When it comes to the second one, it's a reset using the recovery mode, but when it comes to this method, we need to remember about 2 things. First thing is that if you have a screen lock set, and if you reset your phone with the screen lock, during the setup process, the phone will want you to type that screen lock as a confirmation that you are a user of this device. And the second thing is that if you are signed in into your Google account, and I'm sure that you are, because basically without Google account, we cannot do anything when it comes to the Play Store, for example, YouTube, etc., etc. Also, in the setup process, basically there will be 2 methods. You will be able to type your screen lock to confirm, or you can sign in into the same Google account that you were using before the reset. So have that in mind. Now, to perform a factory reset using recovery mode, we need to power off our device, click power button and volume up button, click on power off, confirm. Now, to enter recovery mode, we need to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. When you'll see the ZTE logo, release the finger from power key, but keep holding volume up. So power key and volume up first, release the finger from power key, keep holding volume up. We are in the recovery mode. Now, using volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power key. Again, factory data reset, confirm. We can see that the data has been wiped. Now select reboot system now, confirm, and now our device will be turned on automatically, and we'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.